Welcome to SwickTech Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you the alignment section in the Excel ribbon. The alignment section helps you to customize the placement of data in a cell. Let's start with these 6 buttons that control the placement of data within the cell. Pressing this button aligns the data at the top of the cell. This button aligns the data at the center of the cell, and this button aligns the data at the bottom of the cell. If you want to align your data to the left of the cell, press this button. To center your data in the cell, press this button. And finally, if you want to align your data on the right side of the cell, press this button. This section also contains the ability to control the orientation of the data in the cell. By clicking the drop-down menu to the right of the orientation button allows you to choose from 5 quick choices. Clicking angle counterclockwise will rotate the contents from the bottom upwards with a 45-degree angle. Clicking angle clockwise will rotate the contents from the top towards the bottom with a 45-degree angle. Clicking vertical text will display the contents from the top to the bottom. Clicking rotate text up will display the contents from the top towards the bottom, but the content is sideways. Clicking rotate text down will display the contents from the bottom towards the top, but the contents is sideways. The last option is Format Cell Alignment. This will display the Format Cell window, which shows you all of the available commands. We now move on to the indent area. The first icon on the left is the decrease indent icon, which allows us to move the contents of the cell closer to the cell border. The second icon on the right is the increase indent icon, which allows us to move our contents further away from the cell border. Next is the text wrap icon. Pressing this button will allow us to wrap long text into multiple lines so that all of it can be seen. Moving down, we have the Merge and Center icon. To the right of this icon is a drop-down menu. The drop-down menu shows 4 options for us to choose from: Merge and Center, Merge Across, Merge Cells, and Unmerge Cells. These commands allow us to combine and center the contents of the selected cell into a new, larger cell. It is also a good way to create labels that span to multiple columns. The key thing to remember with these buttons is that you must select the cells you want to combine and then use these commands. The last button of this section is kind of hidden. Clicking this arrow at the bottom right corner of the alignment area will open the Format Cells window to the Alignment tab, where you can do most of the things we just spoke about. Well, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please check back soon for more SwickTech tutorials.